Hello, everybody. This is Nancy Gwinnell Hurd from the Austin Pilates Barn. I'm excited to share with you that Sunni Almond, founder and creator of Going Mojo, is coming to Austin. Woohoo! Sometimes as teachers, we lose our mojo and need a little bit of help getting back on track, right? We've all been there. Well, Sunni is going to help us put that zing back into our teaching. She's going to work with us on our cuing, our spotting, and getting our teaching back on track, helping us to give the most we can to our clients and to ourselves. It's going to be so much fun getting together in person, getting inspired, and getting back to what we love, teaching Pilates. The date is Saturday, June 3rd, 12 to 6 at the Austin Pilates Barn. You will receive 6 NCPT and 6 Peak Pilates CECs. Registration info is in the post and in the bio links. Sunni and I are so excited to see you all, build the Pilates community, and most importantly, of course, have fun, because that's really what it's all about. I'm excited to see you. I'm excited to see everybody, and I can't wait to see all my Austin peeps. Bam! See you soon. Bye.